And this video will show you how to withdraw Bitcoin from your stake account to any crypto wallet, but in this case I will show you how to withdraw it on Binance. The process is the same for other crypto wallets too. So let's begin. First of all, you need to log into your stake account. After that, you need to click the wallet in the top of the page, and then you need to select withdraw. Right here, you need to select the cryptocurrency we want to withdraw. In this case, I will show you how to withdraw BTC Bitcoin, so we'll choose Bitcoin. After that, you need to enter the amount you want to withdraw, so you need to enter the money in dollars. For example, I want to withdraw $20 worth Bitcoin, and as you can see, the minimum withdrawal is $2.07 at the moment, and the transaction fee is $1.30. So we need to get our Bitcoin wallet address and paste right here. In this case, I will use Binance. If you don't have Binance account, you can create a Bitcoin wallet on Binance. I will leave the registration link as a pinned comment so you can sign up and create a wallet. But if you have available Binance account, you can log into your account, then click on deposit in the top right corner and select deposit crypto. Then we need to enter the cryptocurrency right here we want to receive on Binance. In this case, we are receiving Bitcoin, and we need to choose the Bitcoin network. This is very important. We need to select BTC network right here, and then you need to copy your wallet address from Binance and paste it right here on stake. Then click on withdraw, and in a few minutes, in maximum 20 minutes, you can check your balance on your Binance account. You will receive your Bitcoin on your Binance, and you can see it in the spot account. When you go to your spot account, you will see your available Bitcoin balance right here. After that, you can convert your Bitcoin to any cryptocurrency you want. You can also withdraw it to your bank account. Just go to P2P trading, and right here, when you go to the sell, choose Bitcoin. Then you can choose the payment methods. You can select your bank, and you can transfer your cryptocurrency to your bank account using P2P trading. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like buttons and don't forget to subscribe.